Hello, and welcome to the Oraanj Interior Design channel. Today, I'm really excited to share some amazing tips that'll transform your home into a luxurious space without breaking the bank. In this video, we're going to explore 10 affordable interior design ideas that will make your home look and feel expensive, elegant, and of course, super stylish. Before we jump into the details, if you're passionate about interior design and love finding smart, cost-effective solutions for your home, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload fresh new design content. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It helps us out more than you know, and it'll help more people find our tips. Let's kick things off with one of the most transformative elements in any space: lighting. Lighting plays such an essential role in how a room feels and functions, but beyond just brightening the space, it can instantly elevate a room's aesthetic. So here's the trick: go for statement lighting. A bold chandelier, a sculptural floor lamp, or even a pair of sleek pendant lights can completely change the dynamic of a room. The key is to find a lighting fixture that stands out, that adds an element of surprise or grandeur. Now, you don't need to go designer to achieve this. There are plenty of affordable lighting options available online or in high street stores. And if you're willing to DIY a bit, you can even give second-hand or vintage fixtures a fresh coat of paint or a new set of bulbs to create something totally unique. Also, don't underestimate the power of dimmers. Swapping out regular light switches for dimmable ones lets you control the ambience. You can easily create a soft, romantic glow for dinner parties or a bright, functional light when you need it. Dimmers make any room feel more custom and sophisticated. Alright, let's move on to one of my personal favorites: textiles. I can't stress this enough. Quality fabrics are a game changer. Luxurious interiors don't just look good, they feel amazing. That's why investing in high-quality textiles like cushions, throws, and bedding can instantly upgrade the look and feel of your space. Now, here's the thing: you don't have to completely reupholster your furniture or spend a fortune on custom fabrics. Sometimes, just a few key pieces made from rich materials like velvet, silk, or linen can make a world of difference. These fabrics add texture and depth, and when you mix them with your existing decor, they immediately make the space feel more polished and thoughtful. When choosing textiles, think about how they feel as much as how they look. Velvet, for instance, not only looks opulent, but it's soft and inviting to the touch. Linen gives off an effortless, breezy elegance, perfect for a relaxed yet refined vibe. And silk, well, that's luxury personified, but even adding just a hint, like a silk cushion or a throw, can elevate the entire room. One smart strategy is to layer your textiles. For example, in the living room, start with a neutral sofa and add rich layers. First a textured throw, then a few pillows in varying shades and materials. This will create a feeling of luxury without overwhelming the space or your budget. Next up, let's talk about one of the oldest tricks in the book: mirrors. Mirrors are an absolute must-have when you want to make a space feel bigger, brighter, and yes, more luxurious. It's like adding square footage without knocking down walls. A well-placed mirror can double the natural light in a room, making it feel more open and inviting. But beyond functionality, mirrors add a layer of sophistication to any space. A large statement mirror in a decorative frame can even become the focal point of a room. I particularly love round mirrors. They add a softness to spaces with lots of hard edges or straight lines. And here's a design trick: if you're working with a small or narrow space, like a hallway, placing a mirror at the end can make the space feel much longer. Similarly, placing a mirror opposite a window will reflect the light and create the illusion of an even brighter, more spacious room. Mirrors come in all shapes, sizes, and price points. You don't need an antique mirror or a designer piece to create an elegant look. Just focus on finding a mirror with a unique or decorative frame that matches the style of your room. Now, let's talk about adding a little glamour with metallic accents. Metallics like gold, brass, or chrome add a luxurious touch to any space, and they're incredibly versatile. You can incorporate these accents through light fixtures, decorative accessories, or even furniture hardware. Metallic finishes catch the light and bring a touch of elegance to any room. A brass lamp on your bedside table or a few gold-trimmed accessories on your bookshelf can instantly elevate the space. You don't need to go overboard though. Just a few well-placed metallic elements can create a striking contrast and make your decor feel more high-end. Another great idea is to replace the hardware on your furniture or cabinets. Drawer pulls and cabinet knobs are like jewelry for your home. Swapping out plain or old hardware for something with a polished brass or chrome finish can breathe new life into your space, and it's one of the most affordable ways to give your furniture a designer upgrade. Artwork is one of the most impactful ways to make a room feel luxurious. And here's a little secret: the bigger, the better. Large-scale artwork, or even an oversized print, creates an immediate focal point in any room, giving it that gallery-like, curated feel. Now, you don't need to be an art collector to achieve this look. Affordable prints or even DIY artwork can work just as well. The key is to go for size. One large, bold piece of art will make a much bigger impact than several smaller ones. Think about it. In luxury homes, it's not just the details that count, but also the sense of scale. You can find affordable, high-quality prints online, or if you're feeling creative, you can even try your hand at DIY art. Using a simple canvas and some abstract techniques, like pouring paint or using bold brushstrokes, you can create something that looks like it came from an art gallery without the hefty price tag. Here's a timeless tip for achieving a luxurious look. Stick to neutral color palettes. There's something undeniably chic about a room that features soft, neutral tones like whites, creams, greys, and beiges. These colors are calming, sophisticated, and make any space feel more cohesive and expansive. Neutrals don't have to be boring. In fact, they provide the perfect backdrop for layering textures and adding in your metallics, artwork, or statement lighting. When you keep your color palette neutral, you can easily swap out accents or decor pieces seasonally. Another advantage of neutral tones is that they reflect light better, making the room feel brighter and more open. You can add warmth through wood accents or hints of gold, and depth through textured fabrics like linen, velvet, or even leather. Rugs are often underestimated, but they are essential for pulling a room together and adding a sense of luxury. One key trick is to use rugs to define spaces, especially in open-plan homes, where different areas like the living room, dining room, and kitchen blend into one another. A well-placed rug can make a space feel more grounded and intentional. It helps define zones in a room and gives it that designer touch. Go for a rug that's big enough to cover the area under your furniture, making the room feel cohesive and well-planned. When choosing a rug, think about both comfort and style. A plush rug will feel luxurious underfoot, but even a flat weave rug with a beautiful pattern can add a touch of sophistication. And don't shy away from layering rugs. It's a popular design trick that can add texture and depth to your space. One of the simplest, yet most effective, ways to make your home feel luxurious is by decluttering. There's a reason luxury hotels and high-end homes always feel so calm and serene. It's because they're free of unnecessary clutter. Clutter not only makes a space feel smaller and more chaotic, but it also detracts from the beauty of your design choices. By removing excess items and keeping your surfaces clean and organized, you allow your statement pieces, like your artwork, lighting, or metallic accents, to shine. This doesn't mean you have to go full minimalist and get rid of everything you love, but it does mean being selective about what you display. Keep surfaces clear, invest in smart storage solutions, and choose decor items that have meaning or purpose. A clutter-free space feels open, inviting, and most importantly, luxurious. Next up, greenery. Adding plants and flowers to your space is an easy and affordable way to make it feel more luxurious. There's something about nature that instantly softens a room, adding a fresh, organic element. Large potted plants like fiddle leaf figs or snake plants make a big impact in living rooms or bedrooms, and they instantly add height and texture to a space. For a more subtle touch, small plants or fresh flowers work just as well. Plus, they bring life and color into a room without the need for expensive decor. The great thing about plants is that they work in any design style, whether your home is modern, traditional, or something in between. Just make sure you choose the right plants for your space and lifestyle. Low-maintenance plants like succulents or air plants are perfect for those who don't have a green thumb. Finally, let's talk about the small details that can make a big difference. Hardware. I love this tip because it's so simple, yet so effective. Upgrading the hardware on your furniture or cabinetry is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to give your space a luxury boost. Swapping out basic or outdated handles and knobs for something more polished, whether it's brass, chrome, or even crystal, immediately elevates the look of your furniture. The best part? It's a quick DIY project that doesn't require much time or effort. Hardware is like the jewelry of your home. It's those finishing touches that can make all the difference. So, next time you're refreshing a room, don't forget to look at your hardware. A small investment here can go a long way in making your space feel more custom and luxurious. And there you have it, 10 affordable interior design ideas that look and feel luxurious. As you can see, luxury isn't about spending a fortune. It's about thoughtful design choices, attention to detail, and using what you have in clever, creative ways. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you have any questions about interior design or need more inspiration, feel free to ask away. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. We've got plenty more design tips and ideas coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.